Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this process we will see how to import your invoices, bills and credit notes from Xero to Odoo. So let's get started. So this is our instance for the process. So as we open the instance, first of all we will see a configuration where there is an option to do the automatic import. So whenever you want to run cron job in the background and do the automatic import of your bills and invoices, you will have to check this box so that all the imports, whenever you don't do manually, it will be done in the background and in the automatic version. So this is a checkbox for the same. So I have checked this box right now, but I'll show you the process manually in the demo video. Now for the import process, we will go to the operation and we will see here there is an option to import your invoices and bills. So for that, next step is I'll show you from your Xero account as well that where are the process invoices and bills over here. So whenever we go to the sales, here are the invoices. So as you can see, there are invoices over here. Along with that, there are credit notes with the CN number that is over here. So there are two credit notes and there are other invoices which will be imported, and invoices which are deleted or voided will not be imported, but all the other will be imported. Next is your purchase section has your bills. So there are a few bills which are created over here which will also be imported. So these are the bills. And along with that, there are credit notes that I showed you before. So these are the credit notes which will be imported along. So all the credit note will be imported from here as well. Now we will see its process from your Odoo account. So let's go to Odoo and here go to the import invoices and bills. So both of things will be imported. Let's execute it. So after the execution is done, the invoices will be seen over here. So here is invoices. So first of all, the queue will be created for the invoices. So as you can see, for the particular time when we imported, the queue for the invoice or bill is created over here. So as you can see, here are the queue. In queue, you will see all the bills and invoices created in the draft state. So first of all, they all will be in the draft state, and here is the draft state. Now, whenever we want to process the queue, you can do it in the two ways. First of all, the queue can be processed manually from here, from the button over here, and another thing is from the cron job that will be running in your background for the automation. So here is the cron job for the processing of queue. So here is the same. So you can run it manually from over here as well. Also, you can do it from here. So both of the ways you can do it. So here we will process the queue manually. After we process it manually, it will be changing its status from draft to completed. If there will be any errors, it will be into partially completed state. Otherwise, it will be completed over here. Now, whenever you go to the logs will also show you how the invoices are imported. The queue processing fetch invoices. This is the log for the same, and they are updated over here as well in Xero account. So here you can see the bills and the invoices are imported. So here are all the invoices and the bills as well. So you go to bills and there are three bills which are imported, and whenever you open any of the bill there will be Xero details where you will see the instance and ID and the type over here. So you can see it over here in bills as well as in the invoice section. So here will be the invoice section where you can see that. So here are the details for the invoice as well. It is mapped in Odoo. So it will have this Odoo number as well as the Xero number, invoice number, which is created over there and imported over here. So all these details for the invoice importing is done. So for that we have three scheduler action. First of all will be import. Then next is the queue, and the queue are of two types, that is invoice queue and credit note queue. Now we will see the process for the credit note as well. The process remains the same. So here we will go over here and import the credit note and execute it. So whenever we execute about the credit note, along with that we have a queue that will be created like this. So the queue for the credit note is also created. It will have all the credit notes which are in Xero. So now we can do it in the two ways again. So this is the scheduler action for the same, and along with that we have a process where we can do it manually. Both the ways are proper. So here let's do it manually. So after doing it manually, it is now in completed state. As you can see, it is processed successfully. The log of the same will be generated over here for the credit note as well, and the credit note will be seen. over here as well. So all the credit notes which are created over here will be seen in here as well. So let's go to the accounting and go to the credit notes. So which are imported over here is seen like this. And whenever they are imported from Xero, there will be Xero details associated with the same, along with the invoice number, move type, and the instance and move ID. So this is how the credit note is imported. So feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for a store. Our team will be there to help you out. Also, you can write back to us at sales@vajartechnology.com for the further issues and queries. Thank you.